Wow, I'm actually glad that I was able to take this piece off all in one piece so I could see exactly where to put this, because remember, I was going to drill my hole there. It would have had no holding power. It would have went into that, and I would have been here like, what's the deal? That is nice and tight. It's in back beyond this by 1.5 inches. Right up back here. There's a couple nails here, and see these nails go in right here, but in reality they're not even. I'm gonna have to work on this end. See, they're not holding at all. What I might do, I just might, I don't know. We'll have to see after I look at this a little bit more closely. I might be able to put a 3.5-inch lag about right there, not here because this is already split, see? I get it right in here and I kind of go at an angle. I could get to the back side of this, and I can see this one here. This fascia board here is bowed out at an angle too. There's only so much I can do. See this gap right in there? I mean, I can't get that anymore because this is, like I say, this has been sitting here for 20 years. And because this one's bowed out this way and this one's bowed out this way, there's only so tight that I can make that. And I think, I think I want to take this part here and suck it closer to there, because see the gap here? I still got a finger gap in there, see? And I might be able to just slightly pull that in and suck it in just a hair with a lag there without splitting this. I'm going to try it and see. And that'll suck this up more. Now granted, I could fill that up with caulking too after I get my next piece on there too. Okay, so before I do anything with this, I am going to work on my little triangular piece down at the bottom. And worst case scenario, I could take this nail out. Well, the nail's not holding anything, so I might just pull that out anyways and fill that up with caulking. Instead of putting a lag bolt there, I got some 3-inch drywall screws too, don't I? So I might be able to suck that over that way too. So think about your project before you get all rambunctious and start doing it out of sequence, okay? Because I want to hold that little triangular piece up there before I try to suck that in. Let's say, in case, I might have to shave off a little bit of the bottom of that or something. So the next thing I want to do is work on this triangle. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.